Another really important thing that Google looks at on your websites is the meta page description. So the meta page description is this section over here. And so when your search shows up in Google, you have first the title tag showing up here, and then the website link, and then here's the meta description here. So we can again come back to this website here, SEO Mofo, and we can check the length of our meta description. So a suitable description length is 160 characters long, including the spaces. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to copy what I've got here and check if it fits within the 160 word limit. So I'm at 141, and this is a decent number of characters to have. Just a couple of important tips. Now, I've personally found that the meta description is good to have on the website written somewhere. So I'm actually just going to copy this text and just add it here onto the page for now. I'm going to go ahead and edit all of this later, but just for now, I'm going to add this information onto the page to give the strength of relationship between words on the page and words in the meta description. I'm going to go ahead and click publish. And now another thing you want to make sure is that every single page on your website, they all have unique title and meta descriptions. So this page would have a completely different title tag and a completely different meta description tag. This will help both users and Google to find your website more easily. Make sure not to add any information that has no relation to the page content. Avoid using generic descriptions like, "This is a web page." Now, Google recommends not to fill your meta description only with keywords, but I have seen a couple of websites do this, and they do it by putting a keyword and separating the keyword with a vertical bar line. So an example of separating keywords with vertical bar lines would look like this. From my understanding, Google rewards websites that have more of an organic feel to the way the descriptions have been written. So an example of writing the description with sentences would be, so personally for me, my best strategy has just been using sentences. So just take away that meta descriptions are important to add to every page. Keep it concise and straight to the point, and have the content link on your meta description and on your page as much as possible.